name is Ronaldo Tiohar. I'm going to explain to you or discuss the sixth trigonometric function angle. So, sixth trigonometric function angle is the mathematical function used to relate angles in the side of a right triangle. They are commonly used in solving problems involve height, distance, waves, and circular motion. We have a problem here about sixth trigonometrical function angle. So, in the Philippines, a student is flying a kite at the park. The kite string is stretched tightly and make 60 degrees angle with the ground. The length of a string is 40 meters. So, the question here is the height of the kite above the ground. So, and the horizontal distance of the kite from the student. So we have here, we're going to use sin in the first question. Sin, there is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So sin is, our sin here is 60. So 60 hypotenuse divided by 40, our 40 is 40 meters. So sin 60 degrees is equal to 0.866. So we're going to follow. So we have to transfer the h, so ma-change sila. So 0.866 times 40 the meter. So the answer here is 34.64 in the sin or the height above. We have the cos here that represents horizontal distance of the kite from the student. So, sa cos, adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So, the cos is, the cos 60 is divided by 0.5. So, following so, same lang din sa kaina, i-transfer ang x para balin. So, 0.5 times 40 is equal to 20. So, in answer here, the height of the plate above the ground is 34.64. That is the height of the kite, and the horizontal distance is the 20. So in sketching in a graph, so this is the distance, 20 meters, and this is the height where the height lies, 34.64 height.